Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me, I just bit my lip, Lord. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm here to show you a new feature in KDP dashboard about adding your series, putting your series together. So I do have a pen name called JC Lourdes where I write erotica short stories. So if you guys are interested in that, check out j.c.lourdes on Amazon to get your fix of wonderful erotic short stories. I do have most of them in a paperback version. The rest are Kindle ebooks, but the paperback version is called Scandalous Bedtime Stories, where it has over 10 erotic short stories in that book. It is a must read, okay? Make sure you hit subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So here in KDP in your dashboard, you see where it says create and manage a series. So it's a new feature. So it says you can create a series. You click on the left to details for a new series that you have, or you can view series, check the box for view titles in series, and manage your series. So I'm just going to go down to the search box and I'm going to type in my pen name because I believe I never linked one of my series together. So, as you can see, we have Lydia's Secret, which is not in a series, but it needs to go into the Past Due Rent series. Okay, so I don't even know if that series together. So that's two. So maybe I need to add them all to a series. So let's see. This is the first one. So I'm going to add to a series. Um, so create a series. How this is the main content. So I click that, enter series details. Okay, so past due rent. I'm just put past due rent. They're ordered. Your series page. So past due rent series, including Lydia's Secret. Um, because that is an entitled is a whole thing that goes with that one. So, what do I do next? So it says I have one part of this series live and I need to add. So edit series relationship. So I need to manage the series. I need to add another title. So JC Lourdes. And I need to add past due rent 2. This book is supplemental. Okay, yes. So this is box set novella, prequel, short story collections. Yes, it's a short story. So it is related to that. Okay, close. So that's not what I wanted, related content. I want it to be like, see, I'm doing it for the first time. Is one of the, so the title past due rent. Nope. So let's go back because I'm doing something wrong. Edit series relationship. Okay, so it is book 2. Confirm. Okay, so this is book 2. So then we need to add book 3. See? This is why I like to do stuff on camera to let y'all know I'm not perfect and I don't get everything right on the first try. So now we need to add book 3, past due rent. Wait, past due rent. Or did I just do 1 and 2? Okay, so then it's Lydia's Secret. That's book 3. And then I'm going to add Lydia's Secret 2. So Lydia's Secret 2. And that's main content, so it's book 4. It should say book 4, not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is book 4. So this series is now basically completed because these are the orders that people should read this in. Okay, so I'm excited about that. So it's in review. But this is the order of this series. So this is kind of how you use this series. If you're starting from scratch with a new series that you don't have an order, but I'm probably going to go back and do just Sex No Love, which is also a series, but Big Drummer Boy happened to already be in a series, but this helps people to know what order they should read this book in because Lydia is the main character in Past Due Rent, and I did basically like a spinoff. But it's important to read these in order to even know who Lydia is. So I hope that, guys, help you on the book front of using the series, managing series on KDP. Hope this video was helpful. And until next time, love you more than loves this video. Peace.